App won't start because of the icucnv40.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I have a safe, verified method to fix that broken execution path. While we cover the technical fix for icucnv40, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the icucnv40, part of the International Components for Unicode, v40. This is the Converter, CNV module, managing unmanaged routines for character set conversion and localized data link manifests for global software. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. A missing icucnv40.dll usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the ICU integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the icucnv40 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. A quick warning, many sites offering icucnv40.dll are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for icucnv40. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored icucnv40 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.